Hello students, this is Asma Bhavani. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to study Social Science of Grade 6, Chapter 6, Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashoka. Let's start the chapter. As it was Sunday, all the children of the society gathered in the ground to play cricket. Bhavya and Jalp formed teams. Coin was tossed to decide bowling and batting. Julp said heads. The coin fell on the ground. It was heads. So Julp asked for batting. Hetanch asked, "Where do we find lion figure on the coin?" Bhavya explained to him. The lion figure on the coin is heads. This lion's figure has been engraved on the huge pillar of Sarnath. This pillar was built by Emperor Ashoka of Mauryan dynasty. India has recognized it as national symbol. Mauryan dynasty, founder and ruler. Chandragupta Maurya, founder of Mauryan dynasty 321 BC to 297 BC. Chandragupta played the games of kings in his childhood. His skill was noticed by Acharya Vishnugupta and he was trained by him in Shastra and Shastra. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help and guidance of Chanakya, defeated last emperor of Nand dynasty, Dhananand, in 321 BC and took the throne of Magad and founded Maurya Vansh. Chandragupta got full benefit of Chanakya's skill in politics and administration. From Arthashastra written by Chanakya, we get information about political, economical, and social life of people of that time. Chanakya's diplomatic guidance played a very important role in Chandragupta's achievement. Students, Acharya Vishnugupta from Kautilya Gotra gave training of Shastra and Shastra to Chandragupta from Takshashila. Chandragupta Maurya defeated Dhananand, who was the last ruler of the Nand dynasty in 321 BC, under the guidance and help of Vishnugupta and established the Mauryan dynasty in Magad. Students, with the help and guidance of Acharya Vishnugupta, who is popularly known as Chanakya, Chandragupta defeated the last emperor of the Nand dynasty in 321 BC, who was Dhananand, and he established the Mauryan dynasty, that is Mauryan Vansh, on the throne of Magad. The information about the political, economical, and social life of that time has been found from the book called Arthashastra, which means economics. This book was written by Chanakya. Chandragupta conquered four territories: Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, and Baluchistan after defeating Greek king Seleucus Nicator. Being impressed by Chandragupta's bravery, Seleucus married his daughter Helena with Chandragupta and sent his ambassador Megasthenes to his court. During his stay in Patliputra, Megasthenes wrote a book, Indika, which provides important basic information about the capital and administration of Magad Empire. Students, one war was fought between Seleucus Nicator and Chandragupta. In this war, Chandragupta he won the war and he conquered four territories. The territories were Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, and Baluchistan. So, after the war, being impressed by the bravery of Chandragupta, Seleucus Nicator married his daughter Helena with him. Seleucus sent his ambassador to the court of Chandragupta. And so, after the war with Seleucus, the diplomatic relations developed between India and the Greeks. Students, the important and basic information about the capital of the Magad Empire and its administration is found from the book Indika, which is written by Megasthenes. Extension of state. Chandragupta tried to establish a sovereign power over whole of India by spreading his authority with the valor and diplomacy of Chanakya in other regions of India. He ruled in north from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Kandahar to Bengal in the east. He extended his power even in western India also. It is stated in some of the sources that he had his rule even in Saurashtra also. He had appointed Pushpagupta, a Vaishya Amatya, as its governor. Pushyagupta constructed Sudarshan Lake by constructing dams on the rivers flowing from Girnar mountain in Girinagar, Junagadh in Saurashtra. Students, Chandragupta with his valor and Chanakya's diplomacy spread the Mauryan dynasty over whole of India. He ruled from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Kandahar in the north to Bengal in the east to Saurashtra in west. Chandragupta appointed Vaishya Amatya named Pushyagupta as the governor of Saurashtra. Pushyagupta constructed Sudarshan Lake in Girnar foothills in Girinagar, which is known as Junagadh. Konkan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and other regions of southern India were also part of the Magadh Empire. In the northwest, the territories up to western Gandhar, that is Afghanistan, were also under authority of Chandragupta. Thus, the sovereignty of Mauryan Empire was practiced all over India. Students, the regions of South India like Konkan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, etc. were also a part of the Magadh Empire. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.